Hello, my TikTokers, my fellow YouTubers, and everybody out there in the internet. This is Roy back again, working on some wireless, and I wanted to show you something that's pretty interesting. So, here we go. You ready? Alrighty, so I got this Yagi antenna, and you can see where my balun is, where it comes in and make the connections. I got my cable coming out and all handmade here. Then I'm going into my 915 megahertz transmitter, and I'm connected to the wall there. And I have this, it's on right now, yeah. I have this aiming this way. I was messing with some rec tennis. And I have this LED little patch antenna. You can see it just lit up right there from back here. Let's turn this light off and let's show where the nodal points are in my shop here. So you can see that it is pretty far back there. Now let's go ahead and get the LED lit up. And it's lit up pretty darn good. So there's a break where I am a little distance from about 6 feet. Oh, there it is. Let's keep walking because it'll have... The Yagi's pretty good for aiming. So right now it's beaming at us. And over here, let's go walk in the peripheral over here. Let me hold it up sideways. Let me switch my hands. All right, so there you go. So we're back here. You can see there's a nodal point there. Got bright. Let's go deeper out. You can see I'm back here all the way where the shelves are. LED is still on. Yagi is spreading out the RF in my shop here. Now we're at the other end, and we're kind of away from an angle, but I wonder if we just lobed it. Let me see. And nothing happening in this corner. As soon as you get out of the corner, see it? Right about there, it clicks on. So the Yagi's got a good swath going here. There's a little sign. And there you go. Let's see. Yeah, it's got like field lines. Field lines, I'll tell you that. Well, wanted to show you guys that. So, hopefully I will have more information on you. There's my little rectenna from 915 megahertz. It's 3 inches tall with a grounding plate. Just make sure the hot there, and this is the ground plate, would be the negative. It's going to be a receiving antenna for that, for drawing power. And right here I got my meter here. And you can see how I'm get near some directive lines. Look, it buries it. So watch, I'll move over a little bit. It'll keep going up. That's some good field strength right there. Let's go back by the element. That's the element, that's the reflector. These are taken like bubbles, goes from the element, main lobe, back to the reflector, and out through these elements, directing the sight right here, coming straight out. So yeah, so we have some live action, homemade, working on just different full wave bridge rectifiers, and working on different patch antennas and directive beam. Yagi is just me practicing on some of the experiments. This is not my main antenna. My main antenna will be a patch antenna that will use AC and will transmit and receive 2 frequencies, 915 megahertz and 2.4 gigahertz. And this will operate a system in the house that's for power control and power outages. And the patch antenna is going to consist of 6 layers, total of 11 layers, 6 of them conductors, insulators. You guys are going to be pretty interested in the antenna that I'm building. Put it out there, but it will be a phased controlled antenna that will be able to be not like the Yagi that I just displayed to you, by having more directional. So more directional beam, and the new antenna that I'm designing will be directional. If you had a bunch of Yagis, like a Christmas tree, instead of it only have a swath. I showed you that swath from that point to that corner does not exist. Not until you get out to around here. So that checks the swath over here. So right now, I could probably draw it out, but this now has I guess I could put it on here. This, you guys can read that if you want. It's going to be drawn out like right now. Here's the Yagi. And it's doing